Do you know what I think about a lot? The fact that many students still are in search of ways to practice English. Here is the most valued breakdown of every way ChatGPT can help you learn and improve English skills. There are 10 ways that ChatGPT can act as your practice partner and teacher at the same time. Personally, I love number 7 and number 9. This is Deep Language, and we provide tips and tricks to help you speak and write English like a native speaker. We enhance your English skills by teaching you how to integrate AI technology into your language learning. So let's dive into 10 ways ChatGPT can help you learn English faster. Number 1. Conversation practice. ChatGPT can engage in real-time conversations on a variety of topics, simulating natural speaking environments. This helps improve your speaking confidence and fluency. Imagine discussing your favorite hobbies with ChatGPT. You could say, ChatGPT, I enjoy painting landscape. In fact, painting landscape is my favorite hobby.
That's wonderful to hear. Painting landscape sounds like a peaceful and fulfilling hobby. Do you have a favorite spot or scenery you like to paint?
Number 2. Pronunciation practice. ChatGPT can help you refine your pronunciation and intonation by allowing you to repeat phrases and sentences. You can listen to the correct pronunciation and intonation and then try to replicate it. Either the Read Aloud feature or the conversation mode both can help you in pronunciation practice. You can ask ChatGPT, how do I pronounce entrepreneur? Can you break it down so I can pronounce it?
Sure. Entrepreneur is pronounced as entrepreneur. Let's break it down. On like in on, true rhymes with duh. Prove like the beginning of pronounce. Ner rhymes with blur. Put it together. Entrepreneur.
3. Fluency practice. Practice speaking continuously on a given topic to improve your fluency and coherence. ChatGPT can provide prompts and encourage you to elaborate. I want to describe my favorite holiday destination. Ask me further questions and keep the conversation going so I can improve my speaking fluency.
Sure thing. Could you tell me why you chose this destination as your favorite? What specific aspects of it do you enjoy the most?
Vocabulary practice. Use ChatGPT to learn new words and practice using them in context. ChatGPT can introduce you to synonyms and help you to use them correctly. If you learn the word suspicious, you might ask ChatGPT to use it in a sentence. You could say, put the word suspicious in 5 different examples, so I can see how the word is used in context, and also give me some easy-to-use synonyms.
Sure. Here are 5 examples using the word suspicious in different contexts. 1. She gave her friend a suspicious look when he claimed he didn't eat the last cookie. 2. The police found some suspicious packages near the train station. 3. His sudden change in behavior raised suspicions among his colleagues. 4. The cat eyed the new dog with a suspicious glare. 5. The email from an unknown sender seemed suspicious, so she deleted it without opening. Some synonyms for suspicious include wary, distrustful, cautious, dubious, and skeptical.
In fact, we have an entire video explaining how to build your vocabulary knowledge using ChatGPT. 5. Role-playing. Simulate real-life scenarios with ChatGPT, such as job interviews, travel situations, or social events. This helps you prepare for actual conversation. You could role-play a job interview. Can you help me prepare for a job interview? Ask me questions applicants are usually asked so I can prepare for a job interview.
Of course. Let's get started with some common interview questions. 1. Can you tell me about yourself and your professional background? 2. What interests you about this position and our company? 3. Can you provide an example of a challenge you faced in a previous job and how you overcame it? 4. How do you handle working in a team environment? 5. Can you describe a time when you had to meet a tight deadline or work under pressure? Feel free to answer these questions, and I can provide feedback or ask follow-up questions to help you prepare further.
6. Grammar practice. ChatGPT can help you practice constructing sentences using specific grammatical structures. This reinforces your understanding of English grammar. If you're practicing past tense, you might ask, "Can you ask me questions in simple past tense so I can practice grammar and sentence structure? Give me feedbacks afterwards."
Of course. Here's a question for you. What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I enjoyed a family dinner.
Great use of the simple past tense. It's clear and concise. Let's try another one. Where did you go on your last vacation?
7. Interactive exercises. Participate in interactive exercises like tongue twisters or storytelling prompts with ChatGPT. These exercises are fun and help you reinforce your speaking skills. ChatGPT might challenge you with a tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. You practice saying it quickly and accurately, improving your pronunciation and fluency. Let's make an imaginary story with you and I taking turns completing the story a few sentences at a time. I start. Once upon a time, there was a little boy.
He lived in a small village nestled in the mountains.
One day, he was crossing the bridge, so he saw a great giant creature.
The creature had shimmering scales and wings that glistened in the sunlight.
This practice is a massive step in improving your speaking skills and creativity at the same time. 8. Presentation practice. Practice giving short presentations or speeches on various topics with ChatGPT. This helps improve your public speaking skills. You could just practice a presentation about climate change. Prepare your material, deliver your presentation, and receive feedback on clarity and structure. I am going to give a talk on the effects of climate change. Listen to me delivering the speech and provide feedback on the clarity and structure of my talk in the end.
Of course, whenever you're ready, go ahead and deliver your speech on the effects of climate change. I'm listening attentively, in fact.
9. Read aloud. Read passages aloud to ChatGPT and receive corrections on your pronunciation and intonation. This helps improve your reading fluency. I'm going to read a paragraph from a book and you will provide feedback on my pronunciation and intonation, helping me become more confident in my oral skills.
Absolutely. Please go ahead and read the paragraph whenever you're ready, and I'll provide feedback on your pronunciation and intonation.
10. Feedback and correction. Receive real-time feedback and corrections from ChatGPT on your speaking. This helps you identify and correct mistakes quickly. If you say "she go to school," ChatGPT will correct you saying "she goes to school" and explain why, helping you learn from your mistakes. With ChatGPT, you have a versatile and accessible tool at your fingertips to practice and improve your English speaking skills anytime, anywhere. So, what are you waiting for? It is free and available to everyone. We have a video on how to create an account and sign up. Feel free to ask us for more tips and guidance on using ChatGPT in the comment section. We create content that helps you integrate AI into your daily English practice. So subscribe for more. This is it for today, and we will see you in the next one.